In this video, I'll show you how to clip with NVIDIA Overlay when you're playing games. Now, if you have GeForce Experience installed, what you can do is simply open up the app here. If you don't have it, go to Google and search for GeForce Experience. And from in here, if you click on Settings and you come to the General, if you scroll down and see In-Game Overlay, make sure this is enabled. Then you can open up the settings or press Alt-C. Open this up and you'll be able to see you have the instant replay, which you can turn on and do in the settings. And you can record your gameplay. You can also take screenshots into the photo mode, and you can also stream. Now, basically what you can do is if you come to the record and you can start the recording, or you can come in your settings here, choose everything you want. And that's basically how the GeForce Experience Overlay works. Now you can do the instant replay. So let's say you made a nice clip in Fortnite or something. You can activate the instant replay and you can replay back 5 or 10 seconds, whatever you choose in the settings. So that's basically how it works, guys. Now it's super simple and super easy. If you want, you can click on the gallery and come and show everything you recorded and everything. And that's basically how it works. Now I really hope you enjoyed this simple video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.